Yeah, hi. Over the weeks and days, right, I've gotten this feedback that hey, I want to generate a CV. I want to, how do I write up a CV and the likes, right? And then it dawned on me that not everyone knows how to maximize LinkedIn for generating CVs, right? So, just want to show you quickly how you can download your CV from your properly built out LinkedIn profile, right? So all you need to do is to navigate to your profile, view my profile, right? It opens up here, right? And then so before now you should have a fully built out, you know, uh, LinkedIn profile with all those necessary areas, the licenses, projects you've completed and the likes, right? So once that is sorted out, all you need to do is to click on more here, right? And you see build a resume, right? And so I've downloaded some resumes before now, right? So what you need to do is to create from profile, right? Allow it to run. So what job are you trying to apply for? Name it Linux support engineer support, and bye. Okay. So I think we need to select something from the list. Linux system admin, right? So this gives you a blanket, CV that you can edit the sections, right? Edit the sections, make changes to this, right? Look at any information you don't need. You can delete this, delete, right? Remove any section that you do not want to appear on the CV that would be generated. And once you're done, all you need to do is to click on download as PDF, right? So it downloads this and saves on your computer. And then when you access this, so this is how it looks like at the end of the day, right? And yeah, you're done. Thank you very much for sticking in, and do have a wonderful day.